do you need to create presentations at work, school, or colleges? Great design can help your ideas stand out and read effectively. You want to design powerful, engaging presentation slides for your work? So here is the solution. Design stunning presentations that engage your audience with Canva's free presentation software. Yes, you heard it right, it's free. But if you want to build some advanced things for your presentations, or if you want some add-on images, graphics, infographics for your presentations, then go for the Pro version. Hi, myself Disha Rathi. Today I'll teach you how to make stunning business presentations, college presentations, school presentations, or your work presentations easily within few clicks. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of my new videos of new tools and technologies that you can use to grow your skills. Let's get started. So, to start with the presentations, you just type the canva.com, or you can check the link in the description box I have given. Here you have to search the thing that you want to do, or you can go in the templates category. In the templates, in the business section, you can find the presentation. Just click on this presentation tab. So this screen would come here. Presentation templates will be here. So here Canva is having so much categories in which you have to make a presentation. So now suppose we will select the business category here. So in the business model, you will be having a lot of templates and designs to design your presentation. Now suppose this template I selected. Select any of this template. So you can see the full presentation here, and you can check the size here. It's 1920 by 1080. It's compatible with any kind of Windows. So I will use this template. So you can see the template have been loaded here. Okay. So this is a ready-made template what Canva is offering. In this you can just update your text, images or videos or whatever you want to update. Just update it likewise. So we will start up. Like to update the text, simply click on this text tab. If you've gone through my previous Canva videos too, then I hope it's you are friendly with all this stuff. If you are new to this video, then just go through my previous videos, click the I button above and go through my another video of the Canva. It's simply drag and drop, no need to add on any extra things and stuff. Just you have to change the text, whatever you have to do, and suppose to change the color combination of the slides, simply click on this thing. Here from this color palette you can change the color like this. Okay, so according to your brand logo, brand business, you select the color of the template. Just make sure the color combination should be the same for all the slides to get started. So in this way you can make the good quality presentation here. So I hope you understood the things and the concepts here. Here already they have designed a good graphic designing here. You don't have to add in anything. If you want to add, then you can go through the element section, text section. It's just like simply drag and drop and very easy to use. The photo section, everything you can access it from here. Okay, I'll show you how to download it. So to download, just click on this download button on the top. So here it would ask for the PDF standard. It's a suggested file, or you can download it in a JPG file also, or MP4 video if you have put any video in here. So it would automatically download it to the MP4 video. So after selecting the PDF standard, total 25 pages. If you want to download, you can select the pages from here, which page you want to download or not. You can select it from here, just click on the download tab. It would be downloaded to your PC. So this have been downloaded. You can check it here. Close the tab. You will see the PDF format here now after downloading. Total file size is 26.7 MB. So I will click the PDF format here. You can check this presentation. This full wide width presentation, full screen window with presentation have been created within a few clicks. So in this way you can make a beautiful and stunning presentation as of you want to do. Now how to share this presentation with all? So to share this, simply click on the share button. So here you can find share a link to edit, copy link, or to use. This is a pro version. As I said before also, I am using the Canva as a pro version. So that's why you can share this, use as a template or to view. So if you want to share this PPT with in your office only in a view mode, then you can just view. You can copy the link here and just paste that link anywhere. This presentation is in the view mode, have been shared. Okay, so you can share this PPT. You can do it in a full size PPT. Simply just you have to share this. You can share this link through the WhatsApp. So PPT would get shared to the WhatsApp and all that stuff. So I really like to share this PPT. This share function is very useful and very convenient and easy to use. Another version is to present. If you want to present it right away, so you can you have three types to present in standard mode, autoplay mode, and presenter view. So in autoplay, the set speed to automatically presentation would be played. In the advanced, you can standard mode, you can advance at your own pace, and in the presenter view, you can view your notes and the upcoming slides. So I would select the standard mode and I would do the presentation here. So you can see it's been presented in the standard body. So you can see automatically rounded cursor have been here because I have shared this PPT. That's why. Okay. So likewise, the sharing options are available here. And here you can present this PPT and the record also. This function is very useful. I basically find if you want to shoot any video or you want to shoot any presentations, then you can start this function, present and record, and you can record the presentation from here. Also to share this link, you can find the option from here to share this link. Okay. So these are the things which I really like in the Canva. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye.